divisibility by 11. If the difference between sum of the digits at odd places from the right and the sum of the digits at even places from the right is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. What is given is, you have to divide it as odd places and even places from the right, and you have to take the sum of these two separately and take the difference between these two. If the difference between these two is either 0 or divisible by 11, then we can say the number is divisible by 11. So, example 5445. I am dividing like this. From the right you have to divide. This is the first place, so odd. Second place, even. Third place, odd. Fourth place, even. This is how the division is. First place odd, second place even, third place odd, fourth place even. So, odd, even, odd, even. What you have to find is sum of the digits at the odd places. You have to add the sum of the, the digits of odd places. 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9. Same way, sum of the digits at the even places. Even places 4 and 5 itself. So, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Then check the difference between these two, is 0. If the difference is either 0 or a number which is divisible by 11, then we can say that the given number is divisible by 11. So, since this is 0, we can say 5445 is divisible by 11. So, first question, check the divisibility by 11 for the following. First, you have to divide it as odd, even, odd, even, odd. First place, second place, third place, fourth place and fifth place. Then, sum of the digits at the odd places. Which is equal to 4 plus 8 plus 1. So, it is 13. Same way, sum of the digits at the even places. Sum of the digits at the even places is equal to 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0, which is equal to 2. Then you have to take the difference between these two. Difference is equal to 13 minus 2, which is equal to 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Is divisible by 11. So, what we can say, the given number is divisible by 11. So, what you have to do first is divide it as odd, even, etc. Then what you have to do is take the sum of the digits at the odd places and sum of the digits at the even places. Check the difference between these two. If the difference is either 0 or a multiple of 11, what we can say is the given number is divisible by 11. Next question. You have to take the sum of the, already it's divided, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. So, sum of the digits at the odd places. Sum of the digits at the odd places is equal to 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. So, it is 24. 24. Then sum of the digits at the odd even places. Sum of the digits at the even places is equal to even places 6 plus 8 plus 1. So it is 15. Check the difference. Is equal to 24 minus 15, which is equal to 9. Not a multiple of 11. So what we can say, the given number is not divisible by 11. Therefore, 7138965 is not divisible by 11. It's not divisible by 11. Next, exercise 3.3, fifth question. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. You have to write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in such a way that the number is divisible, to get the number as divisible by 3. So, divisible by 3 means, what's the condition for checking? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. So, we have to add. So, blank space you have to keep as it is, plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4, which is equal to a blank space plus 19. You have to fill the digit here. So, which digit? You have to get the greatest digit and the smallest digit. Clearly, 19 is not a multiple of 3. So, what you have to check is the number which we have to add here. The number which you have to add here to make this 19 as a multiple, or you have to get a number which is a multiple of 3. How can you make this 19 as a multiple of 3? You have to add some number here. You have to identify the smallest digit and the greatest digit. Smallest digit means we should start from 0. So, 19 plus 0 is 19, not possible. It is not a multiple of 19. Sorry, it is not a multiple of 3. Then 19 plus 1. First case, start from 0. To get the smallest digit, you have to start from 0. When you add 0 to this, it is 19. It is not a multiple of 3. Then next digit is 1. 19 plus 1. 19 plus 1. 1 plus 19 is equal to 20. Not a multiple of 3. So, what first we have added is 19 plus 0 is 19. Not a multiple of 3. Then go for the next digit. 2 plus 19 is 21. Is it a multiple of 3? Yes, it is a multiple of 3. Is a multiple of 3. So, which is the least digit which we have to fill this? Is 3, the smallest digit. Smallest digit is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. We have added 2 here. The smallest digit is equal to 2. Then we have to get the greatest digit. For getting the greatest digit, we have to start from 9. So, 9 plus 19, 28. Is it a multiple of 3? No, it's not a multiple of 3. Then, go for the next. 8. 8 plus 19, 27. Is it a multiple of 3? Yes, it's a multiple of 3. So, the greatest digit is, therefore, the greatest digit is equal to 8. 2 is the least digit which we have to fill here to get it as a multiple of 3, and 8 is the largest digit or greatest digit which we have to fill here to get it as a multiple of 3. Then, sixth question. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. Number formed should be divisible by 11. You have to write a digit in the blank space. You have to write a digit in the blank space. For that, you have to divide it as odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Then you have to take sum of the digits at the odd places. So, 9 plus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 14. Then sum of the digits at the even places, 8 plus 1 blank plus 9. So, what we are getting is 17 plus dash. Then take the difference between these two, 17 plus dash minus 14. So, what you are getting 3 plus dash. You have to add one number here to get it as a multiple of 11. So, how can you make this 3 as 11? By adding what? 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. So, the required digit is equal to 8. 8 is the required digit. So, here we have taken sum of the digits at the odd places and sum of the digits at the even places. We have kept that blank as it is. Then we have taken the difference. So, what we got is 3 plus 1 dash. So, we have to fill that dash or fill that space. You have to add one number to this to get it as a multiple of 11. So, 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. So, the required digit is equal to 8. Homework exercise 3.3, fourth question. Remaining questions from that and fifth question, B section.